Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will be explaining and experiencing one issue that most of our customers face, that whenever they export the data from the inbox, that they get a limit error or they get an error that the export failed. So let's understand how to resolve this and what are the common things that you can avoid. So for example, I will click on this export data option. So I get two options: export based on applied filter or export all data. Let's choose export based on applied filter. Then I have this option of include transcript for export. I will turn on this toggle and you will get this banner which says that including chat transcript may significantly increase the file size. Exports are limited to 30 MB. If they exceed this limit, export will fail. So this is the reason why the export get failed most of the times. So now you can see the export has been started, and in case if it get failed, so the reason for the same will be that if you are turning on the transcript, the file size may have increased 30 MB, and that's why the export is getting failed. So make sure that whenever you are exporting the data, it should be under 30 MB only. That's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.